We'll guide you through how connect Zed to Ollama. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific tutorial today, please make sure you already have both the highly reliable Zed code editor and the Ollama software properly downloaded and fully installed on your personal computer system. First, carefully open your main Ollama application and securely load the specific LLM model that you actively want to use today. Make sure to safely check the provided system option to successfully expose your Ollama instance directly to your active local network. Additionally, clearly ensure that you perfectly set the active model context length explicitly to exactly 8K. Now, safely go ahead and properly open your main Zed application to smoothly continue the entire software setup process. Look very closely at the absolute bottom left corner of the main Zed application screen. You will see a small star icon conveniently located right there. Safely click directly on that specific icon to properly open the main agent panel. Alternatively, you can incredibly quickly open this active panel by simultaneously pressing the standard Control and Shift and / key combination directly on your computer keyboard. Once the main agent panel is completely opened on your screen, carefully look thoroughly for and accurately choose the Select a Model option to proceed. This incredibly helpful option is safely located securely near the standard Send icon, and it will usually automatically detect all of your local AI models perfectly. From the brand new drop-down menu that immediately appears, confidently click directly on the Configure option to effectively adjust your personal software settings. Carefully scroll completely down through the provided system configuration list until you perfectly find the highly specific section explicitly designed for Ollama. In this specific section, the visual system indicator should clearly show as connected if you have indeed already successfully loaded the target model inside your Ollama application. Please explicitly note that the standard default URL path is exactly http://localhost:11434. After successfully verifying the active system connection, smoothly go straight back directly to the main agent panel interface. Finally, simply try actively messaging the loaded AI by carefully typing a very simple greeting command directly into the chat prompt. If the local AI successfully responds to you today, then you have successfully completed the setup.